Basta, you know, my focus is switched somewhere elsewhere.
Where did you go?
Kasi pagkasama mo na sa bahay.
Graduate ka na, Sen?
Apo.
Anong tinapos mo?
Economics.
Wow, hirap nun.
SF?
Hard. Apo.
USF.
Hirap.
Punta tayo doon.
Jesuit school yan, ayaw mo dyan.
Apo.
O sige, si Sena mo nakakanta.
Apo. There. I'll sing In the Stub of the Night. In the Stub of the Night.
In the Still of the Night by Boyz II Men.
Bahay, ano. In the still of the night, I held you tight. Oh, I love you so. Promise I'll never let you go in the still of the night. I remember that night in May. The stars were bright up above. I hope and I pray to keep your precious love. So before the night, hold me again with all of your might in the still of the night.
Ayun. Alam mo si Sen, may charm siya, no? Para siyang matining idol. Pwedeng maging matining idol.
Kumukha.
Magaling ka ng Tagalog.
Okay yun.
Kaaral.
Getting there po. Marunong, kaso lang medyo baluktot. So I'm working.
Sen, observation lang, siguro mas konti pang ano lang. Di ba?
Yung
Mas ano pa? Di ba? Mas andun eh, di ba?
I think what he meant was yung...
Laki mo ng konti.
More exaggerated.
Laki mo ng konti. Isa pa. Ang konting-konti lang. Parang, saka yung balikat mo medyo ilabas mo.
Ganda kasi ng kanta,
Stances
no?
everything eh.
Yan.
in the still.
nice.
Yes.
Tama.
Oh,
that's sexy na.
I held you tight.
Yes.
Oh, I love you so. Promise I'll never let you go in the still of the night.
Little groove. Yan.
I remember that night in May. The stars were bright up above. I hope and with all
Kasi minsan yung iba, minsan yung nahihiya ka.
Hindi,
Just remember yung, di ba, jeans yung...
tanungin kita, ano yung feeling mo kanina nung una kang kumanta saka ngayon?
parang sa first warm-up lang. And then this one,
Bumigay
more
more-
showtime na.
Yes.
Parang showtime na.
But every time you perform, kailangan
Has to be
showtime.
showtime,
Hindi pwedeng, ano.
Tama yung tinuturo ni Teacher Monet nyo. It's always, yun na yun. Pagka nag-present ka ng package, yun na yun eh.
Nag-voice lessons ka ba?
Kaagad.
Dito po.
Dito pala. You used to sing for a long time na? Matagal na?
Choir lang. Yung choir.
Saan?
Opo.
Sa
And then,
USF?
hindi po. Doon sa States lang. Sa mga church choir lang. Opo.
The Altar Boy.